The Vitilan i7 Pro 3.0 is a high-performance electric bicycle that blends raw power with practical comfort, making it ideal for riders who want to go farther, ride smoother, and explore without limitations. With its powerful motor, long-range battery, and all-terrain fat tires, this e-bike is built to conquer both daily commutes and off-road adventures with ease. It's not just an e-bike. It's a reliable companion designed for thrill seekers, explorers, and everyday urban riders alike. At its core lies a 1200W motor that delivers strong acceleration and outstanding hill climbing ability, powered by 80 Nm of torque. Whether you're gliding along city streets or tackling steep hills, the i7 Pro 3.0 maintains steady, confident performance, letting you cover more ground with less effort. The motor's smooth power delivery provides an exciting yet controlled ride, ensuring you can enjoy speed without sacrificing stability. Powering this machine is a 48V 20Ah Samsung lithium battery, known for its industry-leading quality and reliability. This battery is designed for riders who crave long, uninterrupted journeys, offering over 65 kilometers in pure electric mode and more than 100 kilometers in pedal assist mode on a single charge. Whether it's daily commuting, scenic rides through nature, or off-road explorations, the battery's capacity gives you the freedom to ride farther without range anxiety. Comfort and safety are integral to the Vitilan i7 Pro 3.0's design. The full suspension system, featuring an advanced air fork at the front and hydraulic rear shock absorption, transforms bumpy or uneven surfaces into smooth, comfortable rides. This suspension setup not only absorbs shocks effectively, but also enhances control on rough terrain, making it equally suited for urban streets, mountain paths, and everything in between. Paired with dual hydraulic disc brakes, the bike offers dependable and responsive stopping power in any weather, so you can ride confidently rain or shine. Another standout feature is its 20x 4.0-inch fat tires. These wide, puncture-resistant tires provide excellent grip and stability across multiple terrains, including sand, snow, mud, or wet city roads. Their anti-skid design ensures the bike remains balanced and responsive, giving you full control no matter where the road or trail takes you. Practicality is also a key focus. The i7 Pro 3.0 has a foldable frame, allowing you to easily store it in compact spaces like apartments, offices, or car trunks. This makes it a smart option for urban dwellers, commuters, or adventure seekers who need to transport their e-bike to different locations. Despite its rugged build, the folding mechanism adds a layer of flexibility and convenience that many riders appreciate. Every detail of the Vitilan i7 Pro 3.0 is designed to enhance the riding experience, from its powerful motor and impressive battery life to its comfortable suspension and practical foldable design. It's more than just transportation. It's an invitation to explore freely, ride confidently, and experience the road in an entirely new way. Whether you're commuting to work, exploring new trails, or simply enjoying the ride, this e-bike is ready to keep up with your pace.